Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do hammer. So first I will show you how to do it, then I will do a step-by-step explanation, and then I will do it in slow motion. Okay. So this is what hammer looks like. Okay. So basically what you're doing is a sun while you're in leg. So remember the sun is like this. You're going front and then behind. And you're just doing that with your leg over the yo-yo. So it's pretty much the same concept. So as long as you're thinking about that, you should be okay. Now the smaller details are what you need to focus on. So when you're starting, do like 1 or 2 legs, and then once you're ready, just instead of tossing on the left hand, continue going on the left hand and let it go up and around your stick like that. And then turn 180 degrees or 90 degrees to the right. And then let the yo-yo go between your legs like that. Once it's around there, let it go up again. And then take your right hand, let you go above your right hand, and then follow through like that. And then turn back around facing forward. Leg goes under your, the yo-yo goes under your leg again, and then you're back to normal. So again, up, through, like that. Alright, I'll show you from the side now. So you're doing leg, and then follow here, up, through, like that. So a lot of people mess up on the right side, so like they won't go over their right stick, so they'll do like this, or I don't even know how to do it, but they'll try to go like this. Like it won't go over the stick. So you need to make sure that it's going over like that. And then when it comes down here, it should be open. You should be able to do legs straight into it afterwards. Bam, bam, leg.